Hello guys, hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Not POV as always. Today, Sunday, 7 AM, we heading to Irish drag race. Quarter of a mile, fastest cars of a country. So we're gonna join them with our M5 F90, stage 2, something 780, 800 brake horse, and same torque as before, 950, around 1000. So yeah, by the time we get to Enniskillen, we should have a half a tank of a fuel. So that's not bad, not good, that's okay. Yeah, so enjoy today's video. Hopefully we're gonna get nice races, and like before, I'm expecting to get 10.4, 10.5 on a quarter. Yeah, it's a little bit dumpy outside. It was raining all day yesterday, so hopefully track will be dry and we're gonna get first place. Fingers crossed. So enjoy. Good morning.
Hi. Are you racing?
Yeah.
You look to sign in here, sir?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
And passenger?
Yeah, passenger. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just paying for a ticket here.
Yeah.
It's still not going to work because we still need license number.
No, because the day like.
First enemy. Any luck? PRS?
Oh, see the noise? My ears.
Where's the 500 an hour?
540, aye.
Oh, 540, I
Oh, the sound of the nuts. Ears are sore.
So yeah, yeah, we're just about to start our first run. We'll see what time we're gonna have. Hopefully 10:05. Hopefully, still half a tank of fuel. Yeah, so we're ready for another run, second run today. Moving very slow. Against I'm against Honda Integra. I'm trying to line up with Supra or Nissan GTR, but no luck this time. Hopefully next round I'm gonna line up against nice and powerful car. I hope so. So we have a third run against M5 F90 tuned by Evolve, stage 2. That was close! So my last run of the day against R35 I think it's an 800 brake horse, Johnny. So all the runs finished for today. Second season on the Irish drag race event. I have done around 7 runs, and best time so far 10.5 seconds. That's exactly what I was expecting. To be honest, I was trying to get 10.4, but we have a headwind, not tailwind, a headwind, and sometimes it was actually very strong, so I believe that was a problem. But yeah, good day overall. Stage 2 M5, something around 780 brake horse on official drag race event, 10.5 seconds. That's not bad. That's not bad. If you like, thumb up, subscribe for more. Will be more videos, POV, will be drag races, and loads of stuff coming up. So stay tuned. Will be interesting. Hopefully. Yeah. So once again, thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.